Second day of the construction sequence here on site in McKinnon in Melbourne suburbs. Chaps on site are taking a well-earned break. What they've done this morning is they've continued on the sections of wall, so external walls and internal walls. We're up to about 2/3 complete for those panels now. The truck is returned to the factory in Carbonlight to pick up the rest of the exterior and interior wall sections. That'll be back here in about 20 minutes time, and then the crane will pick up those and locate them into position, and the guys will fix them in place. So by the end of today, which is the second day on site, we should have all the exterior and interior walls in position. And then tomorrow we're going to continue. The panels are going to be brought from Carbonlight for the roof. Crane will lift those into position, and by the end of tomorrow we're looking at having an airtight, weather-tight frame on the third day of construction here in McKinnon. So it's a really exciting time. It was lovely here. The clients came this morning with their children just to have a look at progress, and they'll come back in the evening. So what they're seeing is effectively that giant Lego or Meccano set being erected over the course of a couple of days. And we'll go from having just the bare stumps and bears to having the structure of the house complete within a week's time. It's fantastic. It's really fascinating. It's great for me to see all of the hard work that's been put into documentation and the design is now coming to fruition. Panels are just arriving, everything's slotting neatly into place with tolerances of just a millimetre or two. So it's easy to see how the house is going to be really well performing, very airtight, very well insulated. So it's a really nice time here on site in McKinnon. Wider angle view of the site here in McKinnon. As I say, it's lunchtime, work is stopped for the moment while we're waiting for the next truck to arrive with wall panels for the interior and exterior to be finished. You can see Marty here from Southern Cranes has a 35-ton crane. We had to negotiate the difficulties of having this electricity pole here on site protecting the driveway so that that's minimised damage that will happen to the crossover. We've also got temporary electrical structure over there, and we've got space then for the truck to sweep in with a flatbed truck with all of the panels set onto it. Over the course of the next day, we should have the entire structure complete, and gives you an idea of what to expect on your site as construction is occurring.